Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.
Good morning, Vietnam. So I woke up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I just decided, let me go ahead and get my stuff done today. So I was ready to go. Just because I was gonna do some stuff with my mom a little bit later on, and I didn't want to have to I just didn't want to walk away from the room without packing anything up because you've seen it. You've seen how it looked. It's pretty scary. This album, so good. Jamin, obsessed with him. This song right here, Help, so good. Look him up. But yeah, so I'm basically packing up all of the those two hampers, and like one of them was shirts, one of them was pants, and I'm just folding them up and packing them up. Basically, putting them in like this big duffel bag that I have. You'll see a little bit later. And yeah, I just really needed to do something. So yeah, I'm packing up my room. These are all the clothes that like I'm not bringing to Thailand, and I'm packing up my room because I'm moving out of my aunt's house. And I'm just gonna keep my clothes for the time being at my mom's new house that she's moving into. Just gonna put it in my own little section in there. But yeah, so I'm just folding up everything, and yeah, this was at like 7 o'clock or like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. It was just, yeah, I was ready to go. I was feeling a little bit stressed, feeling like a little bit high cortisol, feeling kind of like, oh my god, I'm going on this big ass trip. So, so yeah. Yeah, so just go ahead and enjoy me just folding the stuff up.
I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah, okay, you like it.
And so I am going on this trip to Thailand with like so much of like a leap of faith. I like I've pretty much been on like this healing journey since about 2020, and I've been kind of just living, going from like living a small life to just really, setting boundaries and just expanding more and taking up space and figuring out who I am. And I've over the years pretty much taken like a lot of like little solo trips, and I used to really kind of be afraid to do things alone or just really not ever think about it too much, or hide behind a mask. Um, I felt like I needed to be somebody that I wasn't. And so now this trip is really like my opportunity to do my own thing and just really kind of take my power back and do what feels good to me and what feels best to me. But yeah, I'm basically, yeah, see, those are all the leggings I had to put in there. um, this duffel bag is so huge though. Like I think it fit like everything in there. I just had some like sweatshirts and stuff still left over, but yeah. Yeah, so this is like I sold my car and using the money to go to Thailand. Like, let's go. I found a ton of these skirts that I was looking for. Like, they're just skirts. I'm like, who doesn't love a skirt? They're so great. But yeah, oh my god. Yeah, it looks like I didn't do anything, but I did. I did. But yeah, I think I have like, I don't know, 6 days left. Also this song, phenomenal. Also, Noah Guy, also phenomenal.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets. But lately you've been acting like you hate me.
I really also wanted to use this as an opportunity to get started with creating content. Like this whole trip to Thailand, it really inspired me, and it kind of was like, one of those moments where, like, at first I really was like, okay, like when I get there, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Part of me started feeling a little bit worried, like, or having thoughts. I just started having thoughts, really wasn't in the state of worry, but I had thoughts of like, well, what if, I get there and I don't record, or, and I also felt like, if I do, okay, that's fine too. But I really have been wanting to get into content creation for so long, and this has just really been such a great opportunity to just do things that I've been wanting to do. So, and my best friend has been so amazing to me. She's been so encouraging and pouring into me constantly, and it really has been making, me really want to make content. And I've, of course, like, I'm doing it for myself, but for the moments in which that it feels like I don't know like what the point of this is, because I don't have a bunch of followers and this is that, and I could not figure out. I could not for the life of me figure out how to get it on camera. But yeah, before the time of having a bunch of followers and all this other stuff, it's like you think, what's the point? Like, no one's watching, and I think it's kind of like the best, point that no one's watching. But my bitch is watching, and she loves my videos, and so it helps me to keep going. So I'm kind of like going through everything, obviously. This notebook was in my car. This one was like kind of like one of the first notebooks that I had when I first started, kind of getting into like manifestation and like just feeling like I need to do something, try to change my life, try to shift things. So, like, in this journal, I have like a bunch of these, like, kind of like, I love how kind I am, all this stuff. I was gonna read it, but you can read it. Pause to read. Um, and like I like all these gratitude. All my gratitude was in here. Manifestations, all the things I want to manifest, and yeah. Oh, this one was manifesting $10,000. And it's like, when you really are just really shifting and changing, like, you will give a go to just about anything. Try anything, bitch.